Hey, what's up, everybody? Stereo Man back at it again. Today, we got a 99 F-350 extended cab dually. We're going to be putting a Pioneer double din mechless Android Auto Apple CarPlay wireless head unit in here. We're going to replace all the speakers. So in this vehicle, even the little half doors have 6x8 speakers in them. A lot of people don't know that. So we're going to change all the speakers. We're also going to add a license plate mount backup cam to this vehicle. And we came to the customer's house to do this. Yes, we do house calls as well. You can have this too. All you got to do is make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. And you see we've already got the factory head unit loosened. We're gonna get this thing disconnected, get it out of here, and then go about taking these door panels off and doing all this other stuff to it. And when we get finished, of course, you won't be able to tell anything was ever disassembled, which is what you always get when you come to Greer Auto. Those who desire the best, make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. All right, we got the other radio out. We got all of our connections. We just have to, I gotta get my Dremel and cut this, get my Dremel and cut this away right here at the top, and I may have to do the bottom as well for the radio to fit all the way in and lock in place. And then we've already got the driver's door speaker in here, as you can see. And then we're about to get the driver rear door speaker in here. Then we'll have to reposition the truck so that we can open the passenger doors all the way and get those too. Stay tuned. We're on the last door. Now, what's very common with these older Fords is that with the extended cab models, these suicide doors, these cables here, they tend to stretch out over time, and then that'll make the door inoperable from the inside handle as well as from the outside. So the one smart thing that Ford did when they designed this, they designed the door panel, the rear door panel, in two pieces, top and bottom, and that they're a little bit smaller than the opening. So that way you can easily remove the door panels without having to rip them apart, without having to crack them and everything with the door in the closed position. Then you can manually manipulate the cables here to open the door, which is what I had to do. So it makes the job of replacing a speaker a lot easier. So customers probably going to end up having us order a replacement set of cables. And I recommend when you do these cables to do both doors at the same time. Just like when you replace light bulbs, you do them in a pair. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this. As you see, we got the head unit already in. All the other door panels are put back. New speakers are in place. We put on some power base 6x8 speakers in here, which is a huge upgrade over factory. And you see the backup cam, nice and clean install, as always. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll get out of here. And you see I have the customer's phone paired to it. Wireless CarPlay, people.
There you go. Right to that.
All right, you see the backup camera is perfectly clear. Yep. When you want the best, what do? You make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526.
How excellent.